Welcome to the Making Clouds simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate how clouds are formed. To begin, select the rubbing alcohol beaker to add alcohol to the inside of the tank. The temperature and pressure gauges indicate the conditions inside the tank. Observe and note the phase of matter of the alcohol it currently is inside the tank. Select the red pump button to add pressure to the tank. Note the pump button may be selected more than one time. Choose the release button to quickly reduce the pressure inside the tank. You'll note the release button changes to a reset button. Select the reset button to try another experiment in your effort to form a cloud inside the tank.